Good day, everyone. I'm going to discuss to you about our lesson 2, which is gaming and casino. Gaming and casino industry provides new opportunities in labor industry. Several hotels, both locals and internationals, have included casinos as one of the entertainment activities in their facility. That is why it is important for students to familiarize with the opening activities in the gaming and casino industry. Not just the pros, but also all the cons that it might brought to, or the impact of gaming and casino industry towards the people in its environment or those local and small type business. Casino operations. Casinos have been emerging all across the globe. Casinos are most commonly built near or in hotels, restaurants, retail shopping centers, malls, cruise ships, and other tourist attractions like resorts. Casinos offer the following activities. First is table games, which is mag-ingkod ka, kalaban mo na imong kalaban, and then mag-bet mo on the table. These games involve betting between the casino and its customers. Players place their bets on the table as part of the games. First, ang naa sa table game is Baccarat, a game played with 8 complete deck of cards. The object of the game is to come as close to 9 total as possible. Second one is Blackjack, also known as 21. The object of the game is to beat the dealer by having a total higher than the dealer's without going over 21. And the third one is roulette, a game named after a French diminutive for a little wheel. In the roulette games, players may choose to place bets on either a number, a range of numbers, or the color or red or black, or whether the number is odd or even. The dealer rotates the wheel or even and spin a small white ball on the opposite direction. Where the ball rests in one of the compartments after spinning determines the winning position. And third one is craps. This is a dice game in which the players place their wages on the outcome of the roll or a series or rolls of two dice. Players may wager money against each other. Street craps or bank, casino craps. Because it requires very little equipment, street craps can easily be played in formal settings. The last one is poker. It is a family of card games that share betting, betting rules and usually hand rankings. The second game is a gaming machines, which is mag-ingkod lang mo, matubang mo sa machines, wala may laing kakuan, kalaban. I the first in the pictures presented in the screen is the first is baccarat. The next one is blackjack, and then roulette ang nasa center, and then craps, and then lastly is poker. Familiar naman siguro mo, nagadula naman mo ana. And then sa next one is gaming machines, mao to ang kalaban wala mo ilaing kalaban kundi magduwa lang mo sa machines at lang mo maghulag lang mo coins, and then pag ang makadaog mo ang rewards mahagmura pa gikan sa machines. Gaming machines such as slot machines and pachinko are usually played by one player at a time and do not require the involvement of a casino employee. First is slot machines. These gambling machines are operated by inserting coins into a slot and pulling down its long handle. Winning depends on the combination made on the machine. For example, magdula mo katong 777, maka mo dito, pag makuha niyo itong 3 ka 7, makadaog mo. Next one is pachinko, a player Japanese device used for amusement and gambling. Pachinko machines resembles a vertical pinball machine, but with no flippers and a large number of relatively small balls. Last one is video poker. Unlike regular poker, which is played against other players at a poker table, video poker is played individually on machine that used video technology to create a poker hand. The player is dealt 5 cards and has the option of discarding any of all of the cards. New cards are dealt to replace the cards. And that will be all.
Number 3. Random number games are based upon the selection of random numbers, either from a computerized random numbers generator or from the other gaming equipment. A. Bingo. This is a game of chance where each player has one or more cards printed with differently numbered squared assigned under the bingo letters. Players mark the number called by the announcer. The first player marked to complete a row of numbers is the winner. B. Keno. It is easy to play and is one of the many popular games of the casino. Simply mark a blank Keno ticket with 10 numbers of your selection. Then present your ticket to the Keno desks with your rigor, and the clerk will give you the duplicate ticket. In a few minutes, 20 number Keno balls will be drawn, and if enough of your selected numbers are drawn, you are the winner. C. Video Kino. Video Kino is an individual video version of the regular casino game of Kino. The game starts by placing your wager, coins or token, into the machine slots. The player then simply picks the number he or she wishes to play, as few as 1, as many as 20. So the machine then randomly selects 20 numbers. Players are paid based on how many of their number match to those selected of the machine. Casino revenue and support centers. Casino have several gaming revenue centers and non-gaming revenue centers. And common revenue centers in a casino operation include: first, bingo. It is a game which player marks off numbers on a cards as the number is drawn randomly by a caller. Next, table games. Table games are a class of the board game that includes backgammon and which are played on a table board. Next, slot machine. Slot machines have whose operation is begun by dropping a coin into a slot. Lastly, the card games. Card games are games that uses card as primary devices with which of the game is played. So other revenue centers include the hotel operation, which comprise room letting, business center, and food and beverage operation department. Support centers are non-revenue generating departments. However, they are still necessary in operation since they assist revenue center supports departments such as human resources and training, room sales and banquet sales, marketing, finance, security, and engineering and maintenance.
Organization of casino. Number one is as a casino manager, your responsibility is to oversee the day-to-day operations of a casino. So you should supervise staff members, supervise security operations, monitoring gaming facilities, and provide excellent customer service. Number two is pit manager. Casino pit is Casino pit bases are responsible for overseeing the actions taking place by both dealers and players for a section of table games. So pit boss is the one who handle the money. Number three is pit clerk. Pit clerk is works in a casino gaming area to ensure operation with run smoothly. Number it is an entry level position. A pit clerk works in a pit area where the main activities of the casino branch occur. And for the floor person, it refers to someone they have several roles which are supervised in a casino. Sa pit Pit clerk, a floor person is it works under the supervision of the pit manager. He or she supervises the play of games at numerous tables to ensure that no house or rules are broken and cheating does not occur. Individual interested in this type of position should have complete understanding of casino. Casino dealers are usually promoted to this position because of truly knowledge of the games played. Number 5 is dealer. Directly operates and conducts the game in his or her assigned gaming table. So mauna sila ang naga-handle sa mga games kidali. So number 6 is security officer. Room the vicinity to ensure guest safety and security. So they are the one who manage the safety and security of the customer or the guest. So other duties of security personnel would include escorting. Letter A is escorting cash transfers from the casino floor to the casino cage. Letter B is escorting players and hotel guests who have won significant amounts of money to their car.
Security officers roam the vicinity to ensure guests' safety and security. They are typically stationed at entrance of the casino or seen roving on the floor where the most of action occurs. So ang kaning mga security officers is muna nagabantay sa sa casino kung kuan nabay mga kawatan, naabay mga limbungan kibay sa kanang dula. So other duties of security personnel would include A is escorting cash transfer from the casino floor to the casino cage. B is escorting players and hotel guests who have won significant amounts of money to their car, airport, or other local destination. Ang C is serving as witness to the slot drop, replenishment, hand-paying jackpots, and other casino employees. D is guarding the casino cage and working to prevent robberies of and or assaults on cage personnel. E is providing public relations assistance for the casino with its guests. 7 is bankroll custodians. Refers to the person in charge of the central banking function of the casino bankroll, though the working fund of cash and gaming chips. The bankrolls consist primarily of currency, coinage, and gaming chips. So ang sa bankroll is nito ang nahabutang tong mga coins sa kuan kanang maki-exchange sila og kanang mga silang kwarta sa coins para sa casino. Then ang 8 is cage manager. Supervises the work of the credit manager who approves credit for casino customers and the collections managers who is responsible for collecting outstanding customer debts. 9. Casino cage personnel prefers cash banks and bank deposits, makes customer payouts and changes customer winning chips for currency and customer coins to cash. So ang kaning casino cage is kaning ano ni siya exchange siya lag money ay kanang chips sa mga nadaog kibali kanang exchange sila kanang USD na kibali. So ang Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR is un- under Presidential Decree NOS 1067A, 1067B, and 1067C, as amended by PDNSO 1399, 1632, 1869. And Republic Act of Number 9487, the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation is mandated to regulate, operate, authorize, and license games of chance, games of cards, and games of numbers, particularly casino gaming. And second is generate revenues for the government, socio-civic, and national development programs. And three is help promote the tourism industry. Tama na. Tama na. Dili na.